Welcome to Find the Find, where we provide expert reviews and insights on the latest tools and gadgets. Today, we're taking a closer look at the best welders for home use. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or just looking for a reliable welding machine for your workshop, we've got you covered. We've tested and evaluated a range of welding options, from MIG, TIG to stick, to help you find the perfect match for your needs. So sit back, grab a welding helmet, and let's get started. Number 1. Lincoln Electric Weld PoC 125 HD. The Lincoln Electric Weld PoC 125 HD is a portable welder that offers versatility and is suitable for home use, with a budget of around $500. As a combination MIG and flux core welder, it provides flexibility to switch between welding projects. The machine is easy to use, with a simple dual-knob control system and a fully adjustable drive system to prevent wire tangling and crushing. The brass-to-brass connection of the gun improves conductivity for a more efficient experience. The cast aluminium gearbox provides robust torque and operates quietly for a smooth performance. The forgiving arc makes it easy to fine-tune your application, and smooth arc starts result in minimal spatter. The package includes a 100L Magnum gun and enough wire to complete your first few projects. However, some buyers have reported inconsistent power, and the manufacturer only provides a 90-day warranty for the gun and cable. Despite these limitations, the Weld PoC 125 HD is still a solid choice for home welding projects. Other information about this product. Manufacturer: Lincoln Electric. Item weight: 56.7 pounds. Product dimensions: 20 x 15 x 16 inches. Voltage: 120 volts. Amps: 30 to 135 amps. Pros: this welder combines both MIG and flux core welding technology. It comes with a Magnum gun for added convenience. The double knob controls are straightforward and easy to use. The drive system is fully customizable to your needs. Cons: the product comes with a short 90-day warranty. Some users have reported issues with the power output being inconsistent and unreliable. Number 2. Forney Easy Weld 2.9/8 Arc Welder. The Forney Easy Weld 2.9/8 is a great value home welder that comes with a price tag well under $225 and boasts a sturdy construction. It's simple to operate with a one-knob control system and weighs only 9.65 pounds, making it highly portable. Although it doesn't have any extra bells and whistles, it gets the job done efficiently. However, the 6-month warranty raises some concerns, which might give you second thoughts about recommending it. Despite this, if you're in search of a straightforward welder without any complicated features, the Forney is an excellent choice. We particularly like the bright green color scheme, which is a personal preference. It comes with an 8 feet electrode holder and 8 feet ground clamp cable. This machine has been expertly crafted to accommodate electrodes up to 1/8 inch, and weld thicknesses ranging from 16 gauge to 5/16 inch. It's ideal for various automotive tasks as well as household projects. Keep in mind that this welder is not designed for heavy-duty applications. It runs on 90 amps of power, and is limited to 120 volt applications. Nevertheless, if you're looking for a basic and functional welder that won't break the bank, the Forney Easy Weld is a good option. Other informations. Power cord length: 6 feet. Voltage: 120 volt. Current: 90 amps. Unit weight: 9.65 pounds. Unit dimensions: length 12 inches, width 5.5 inches, height 10.5 inch. Pros: very lightweight and easy to transport. Easy control system. Very simple to operate. Cons: not good for heavy-duty operation. Number 3. Metal Man MIG 180 DVT. The Metal Man MIG 180 DVT is a versatile, portable wire feed welder that combines the latest inverter technology with dual voltage capabilities. Whether you're welding mild or stainless steel materials, this unit can handle up to 5/16 of an inch in a single pass when operating on 230 volts power, and 3/16 of an inch when using the included 120 volts adapter cord. The infinite wire feed speed control and voltage control options provide you with total control to get the perfect arc for your welding project. The unit is also equipped with a cooling fan and thermal overload protection, ensuring your investment is protected. At only 26.5 pounds, this welder is lightweight and easy to transport, making it ideal for home hobbyists, auto repair, farm or ranch, and light industrial applications. With a duty cycle of 40% at 90 amps for 120 volt, and 20% at 160 amps for 230 volt, the Metal Man is a powerful and reliable choice for your welding needs. Other informations. Voltage, 120 and 230 volts. Current, 30 to 160 amps. Unit weight, 26.5 pounds. Unit dimensions. Length 19.5 inches, width 9.5 inches, height 14.4 inches. No load voltage, 54 volt DC. Pros. Dual voltage, 180 amps, 120 volt adapter cords. Cons. No issue found. Number 4. Amico Power CTS 200. The Amico Power CTS 200 is a highly versatile and convenient welding machine that is ideal for projects and repairs both in the home and in an auto body shop. This 3-in-1 combo welding machine combines plasma cutting, TIG torch, and stick arc welding capabilities, making it a valuable tool for any welding enthusiast or hobbyist with basic repair needs. One of the standout features of this machine is its advanced IGBT technology and synergic control, which makes it very easy and simple to operate. The waveform control system ensures a perfect waveform of volts and amps during short circuits and arc burning cycles, resulting in a flawless weld. Additionally, the machine is equipped with various protection features, including automatic compensation for voltage fluctuation, overvoltage protection, undervoltage protection, overcurrent protection, and overload protection. The Amico Power has a compact design and is easy to use, making it ideal for portable repair work and small business projects. Its 5 to 50 amps plasma cutter is capable of cutting a thickness of up to 3/4 of an inch, with a maximum severance thickness of 1 inch. The 20 to 200 amps TIG torch welder is packed with features for welding a variety of metal types, including steel, chrome moly, stainless steel, and titanium. The 20 to 200 amps DC stick or arc electric current output provides an easy arc start, stable welding arc, deep weld pool, and beautiful welding shape, making it suitable for welding with different kinds of acid or basic electrodes. The machine runs on 110 and 230 volt, 60 Hz, one-phase power, and has a duty cycle of 60% at 50 amps for the plasma cutter, and 60% at 200 amps for both the TIG torch and the stick arc. The cooling method is fan air-cooled, and the machine is equipped with a fan dormancy feature for added efficiency. It comes with CTS 200 3-in-1 welding machine, 10 feet 500 amps electrode holder, 13 feet plasma cutter gun, 13 feet TIG torch gun, 2 tungsten needles, 3/32 of an inch and 3/64 of an inch, 2 electrode 1/8 of an inch and 5/32 of an inch, 10 feet, 630 amps work clamp, 115 volt and 230 volt power adapter, 8 feet argon gas hose, and owner's manual. It comes with a comprehensive package that includes a plasma cutter gun, TIG torch gun, electrode holder, work clamp, argon gas hose, power adapter, and tungsten needles. With its compact design, advanced features, and ease of use, this machine is a great choice for anyone in need of a reliable and efficient welding machine. Pros. A versatile 3-in-1 tool. User-friendly synergic controls. High-powered with 200 amps. Comes with both a plasma torch and a TIG torch. Cons. Only a limited 1-year warranty. Air leakage from the plasma torch trigger may occur. Number 5. New Everlast PowerArc 200 Street MIG, TIG, stick welder. The Power MTS is an all-in-one, portable DC welder that offers MIG, TIG, and stick welding capabilities with a 140 amps output. The unit is designed for true portability with its lightweight and compact frame. The multi-process inverter design also has a 4 inches and 8 inches diameter wire spool capacity, making it ideal for both long-duration welding and portability. In MIG mode, it is capable of welding with both aluminium, with an optional spool gun and flux cord wire, with flux cord drive rolls. In TIG mode, it can weld steel, stainless steel, and even titanium with HF, and lift start TIG modes, and an optional foot pedal for arc starting and amperage control. The unit also has a built-in solenoid for automatic gas control and separate gas connections for MIG and TIG. In terms of stick welding, it supports welding with popular 3/32 inch rods such as E7014, E7018, and most E6011, excluding E6010. The simple control panel design and intuitive controls make the unit easy to use, and the bright blue LED display is easily readable in bright light conditions. In conclusion, it is the ultimate solution for those looking for a 120-volt portable all-in-one DC welder. Its 140 amps MIG, 140 amps DC TIG, and 80 amps DC stick welding capabilities, combined with its portability and ease of use, make it the best in its class. Additionally, the unit comes with a 5-year parts and labor warranty. Other informations. Item weight, 30 pounds. Product dimensions, length 18 inches, width, 8.5 inches, height, 12.5 inches. Voltage, 110 volts. Amperage capacity, 140 amps. TIG cable length, 12.5 feet. Stick cable length, 10 feet. MIG cable length, 10 feet. Ground cable length, 6 feet. Pros. All-in-one, portable DC welder with MIG, TIG, and stick welding capabilities. Capable of welding metal. Foot pedal for arc starting and amperage control. Simple control panel design and intuitive controls for ease of use. Comes with a 5-year parts and labor warranty. Cons. Little pricey, but worth it.
Thank you for watching this video. If you found the video helpful, please subscribe our channel, press the bell icon and give your opinion in comment section. If you want to buy this products, link is given in video description box. Thanks again.